So today's topic of discussion is what is Python? To be specifically introduction of Python and followed by how to download, how to install the Python in your system, and then we can see some small program in a Python. So for that purpose, we need to know what is Python is. The Python is a high-level, general-purpose, and very popular programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991, further developed by the Python Software Foundation. It is used in web development, specifically in server-side scripting, mathematics, machine learning applications, and other applications too, like artificial intelligence, deep learning, and system scripting, along with all software industries. Python is very well suited for beginners, also experienced programmer with other programming language like C, C++, and Java. Python rank among the popular and the fastest growing language in the world because it is powerful, flexible, and easy to use language. So we want to know what Python can do. Python is used on server side to make web application. Python can connect database system, and it can also read and modify the files as well. Python can be used to perform complex mathematical function. It's also used in artificial intelligence, deep learning, machine learning, NLP, image processing, graphical user application as well. Python program do a lots of things. So we want to know why Python. Since we have different programming language as well, like C, C++, Java, Ruby, Perl, etc. Right? So why Python? Python is platform independent, or it can works on different operating systems like Windows, Linux, Mac, Raspberry Pi, etc. Python has more simple syntax similar to the English language that already mentioned earlier, that is high level language. It has user friendly data structure, Python syntax that allows programmer to create script or program with less line than other programming language like C. Uh, this language run on interpreter system. That means the code can be executed as soon as it's created. So it's very fast. Ideal for prototype building. Python have a huge collection of standard library which can be used for different recent technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, GUI applications, web framework like uh, YouTube, Instagram, Dropbox are use this Python for their development purpose. Image processing like OpenCV, web applications, text framework, multimedia, scientific computation, etc. And it's provide a huge strength to Python. Many tech giant organizations or companies like Google, Yahoo, YouTube, Microsoft, Cisco, and Spotify are using Python for their development. Generally, Python have two major versions. It's Python 2 and Python 3. Both are quite different in term of syntax. So right now I'm going to share my screen to show you how to download Python and from where you need to download. So for that purpose, I'm going to share my screen, and yeah. So you need for that purpose you need to type Python download on Google. Google will give you some sort of links, and here is the first link. You need to click on that. If you click on that, it will gives you redirect you in some sort this kind of page where from you can download the Python. And other than Python 3.10, we have different type of version as well. So whatever suitable framework or the functions or the version suited for your system, you can download and install. Okay. For the install programming or demonstration purpose, I have Anaconda with me. So this is the Anaconda. look like, or Anaconda Navigator look like? This is the basically dashboard, the home page of the Anaconda. It have different application you need to launch whenever you whichever you want to launch. So what is Anaconda Navigator? Anaconda Navigator is a desktop graphical user interface like GUI included in Anaconda distribution that allows you to launch application and easily manage Conda packages, environment, and channels without using command line interface. Okay. So for the Python programming purpose, we have, I'm going to use Jupyter Notebook. So for the time being, I already opened that Conda environment. So whenever we come to this page, you have different options like upload and new. If you already created you have already created file or scripted program in Python, you can upload the file. If you don't have, just click on new. Whenever you click on new, you can see different options like Python 3, text file, folder, and terminal. So for your better understanding, I'm going to give you two interface or different interface like Python 3 and terminal. So here I'm just clicking on terminal. So it needs some time to start. So this is basically a black screen which give you the interface of PowerShell environment. So it not, yeah. So this is the Python interface I already have in my system. So if I want to know which version I have, so that purpose you need to know Python. Just you need to type Python version. Yeah. See, I have Python 3.7.6. It is a version of the Python whichever I'm using right now. Then I can use, we can use Python as a calculator as well. Suppose I want to make 2 plus 2 addition, it gives you 2 plus 2 addition 4. It's if I want to multiply something, it give you multiplication. So Python can be used as a calculator as well. Suppose yeah, sorry for the error. Yeah. So if I want to add, or add as also mentioned, no, subtract, so I can, yeah. So Python can be used as this calculator as well. So I'm going to clear. Other than this, I have, and we can use Python Jupyter Notebook as well, where we can save our program. In terminal, we can write Python program, but we cannot save the program. So for that saving purpose, or for the future purpose, we want to save our program. So we can use Jupyter Notebook. Okay. So for suppose I want to print something, print, and then you need to type something like hi. Okay, print first bracket within double quote. You need to type your sentence, whatever you want to print, or your message, then run. See, it's give your output. There is no other syntax. But in a C, you need to, if you want to print something, now, so you have to type 5 lines at least. But here we can print something within one line for the just one line program. So we can Python can use comment as well. Comment means just you need to mention whatever you want to do in a programming. So this way, using hash, you can use your scripting. So this is the program to print a message in Python, right? Then you type your message, print, then this way, hello world. Yeah. See, so comment is just a sentence that's not going to give you the result or output, and it was just for your future purpose. You need to save your program, and what was the purpose of the program, you can type on the save on the comment line. So this is all about, okay, this is all about for today's class. We're going to continue the next session in the next class. Okay, so I'm going to stop my screen.